Hello guys, hopefully you are fine and healthy. Today I will revealing the hidden treasures in your pocket. Introduction. Hi! Welcome back to Numismatic Coin 1. Today, we're embarking on a journey back in time to explore the remarkable story behind the 1932 Washington quarter. Could this seemingly ordinary coin be a hidden gem worth millions? Stick around to find out, but before we dive into this intriguing topic, don't forget to subscribe to our channel and hit that notification bell so you won't miss any of our captivating coin adventures. Now, let's unravel the mystery of the 1932 Washington quarter. Historical background. The 1932 Washington quarter holds a special place in numismatic history. This iconic coin was released during a pivotal time, marking the bicentennial celebration of George Washington's birth. Let's explore its historical significance before delving into its current value. Value assessment. Now, you might be wondering, could a coin from 1932 really be worth millions? Well, the answer lies in a combination of factors, including rarity, condition, and demand. Let's break down why this particular quarter has become a sought-after treasure. Factors influencing value. The 1932 Washington quarter stands out for its low mintage, making it a rarity in circulation. As time passes, the number of well-preserved coins dwindles, adding to its scarcity. But what else contributes to its increasing value? Expert insights. To gain more insights, we've consulted numismatic expert name. Let's hear from expert name about the unique qualities of the 1932 Washington quarter. The 1932 Washington quarter is a numismatic gem. Its historical significance, coupled with its low mintage, has made it highly sought after by collectors. If you happen to have one in good condition, it could indeed be a valuable addition to your collection. Now, let's take a closer look at the 1932 Washington quarter. Join me as we unveil the details of this fascinating piece of American history. From the dignified profile of George Washington to the intricate details on the reverse, this coin is a testament to the craftsmanship of its time. The wear and tear on these coins tell a story of the decades they've witnessed. Conclusion. In conclusion, the 1932 Washington quarter isn't just a coin, it's a tangible piece of history. If you're lucky enough to come across one, it might be worth more than you think. Could you be holding on to a hidden treasure worth millions? Thank you for joining us on this fascinating journey through time. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, share it with your fellow coin enthusiasts, and comment below with your thoughts. Stay tuned for more coin adventures on Numismatic's Coin 1. Until next time, happy collecting!